Friday. It's about time it got here. Just packing up at camp, getting ready to go back home. Got some music playing while I'm packing up at camp. My grandparents are supposed to be here or at home on Sunday. So hopefully that goes good. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll try to take a video this weekend and we'll see how it turns out. But anyway, yeah. It should be a good weekend, I hope. Alright, I am leaving camp now. Here's the road heading out of camp. Got an hour and a half drive home. Hopefully we don't have no eventful moments on the drive home. The gravel pit heading out of camp that I see every time I come in and out. We made it halfway. We are at the Morgan Pass. I think that's the name of it. In Morgan Summit. Snowmobile Trailhead. It's about halfway point to home. That's a beautiful spot in the winter time. Wind riding slow down. Snowmobiling fun. These are all the snowmobile trails, and that's the highway. We are right there. There's the next town closest. Anyhow, all of this is snowmobile trail. Major landforms. Snow. They have this perfect little shack kind of rest stop here. Got a fireplace right there. And you can set up your tent in here, whatever. I gotta take a stop real quick though. Just for a second. Alright, back on the road again. About halfway point, takes about an hour to get home from here. Takes 30 minutes to get from camp to here. So it's probably about an hour and a half trip. Anyway, back on the road again. So we just get into Mineral, and I'm following this car ahead of me. Of course he's ahead of me, I'm following him. But anyhow, and there's a 50 mile an hour sign off of a 55 zone. 55 mile an hour zone ahead sign saying it's coming up. And the car slows down to 35 right when he sees that sign. Sometimes people are retarded. Okay, so I just got word that my grandparents are here tonight. Yay! But my house ain't clean. So I guess we'll have to do a cleaning day with Grandma and Grandpa, I guess. But anyhow, I don't know what to think. I'm excited, but my house ain't clean. So we're going to Battle Creek Falls again for a little cool off from the valley. Got the dogs in the back. They're saying hi, you don't know it though. It should be pretty cool up there at the waterfall. Down here, it's storage jar. Check the temperature. It's 93. See you at the falls. Nella, stay close. Right. Hey! So I said you need something to help you not slide.
I know.
It's dried out quite a bit. It's dried out quite a bit. Your shoes aren't good for this either, Dad. How's the water? Yeah, it has. There, I got it.
What'd you get?
You jumping up on the rock. So right now I am standing in front of Bow Creek Falls, the upper Bow Creek Falls, and a little later we'll go down to the lower Bow Creek Falls, but anyway, this is a view from the waterfall, bottom of the waterfall.
Brandon.
That was quite the smoke coming off of there. There's a big otter in the water. Okay. Mama still get nervous with it? This going underwater? I am going on an adventure. Maybe. Are you sure? Nella! Hey! Go up. Nella! This is the trail. Hey! Stay close. Jeez. Almost looks like it was a good trail and then the water ran it out and made a steeper trail. Right now, this battery's getting low. I guess that'll be the end of this spot for now. I gotta charge my batteries on both my cameras, so guess I'll see you at the next waterfall. You big lazy mutt. All right, let's go, Nella. Come on. Come on. Is that ornery? Is that ornery? Oh, you can have your collar off now, huh? We are back home. It's warm here. Well, since we're back home, I guess I'll conclude the vlog here and see you guys next time.